Hey guys, Austin here with Full Life Proof Grooming, and today we're going to be talking about why your beard may be scratchy or stiff or just plain old irritating, as well as some ways you can make your beard softer and not so irritating. Now if you're kind of suffering from a dry or irritating beard, or maybe just a beard that's uncomfortably stiff or rough to the touch, then you're going to want to keep watching. So before we get into it today, I just want to remind you guys that this is the beginning of November. We literally just put out another video earlier this week on what No Shave November is, because it's a huge part of the bearded community. And you can actually learn more about No Shave November, what it is, what it's about, and the way you can participate in it in that video. So I'll have the link in the description down below. But speaking of November, we're starting to get into the winter months, meaning it's going to start getting a lot colder outside. If you haven't noticed that already, then you're probably going to notice it very soon. And as we all know, cold weather typically means that your skin and hair become much more dry much more quickly. It's exactly the same reason why maybe you've experienced when your hands get cold or something and you move them and you bend your fingers tend to crack a little bit at the knuckles, or your lips get drier more quickly. And that's because cold temperature has low relative humidity, which means that it pulls moisture away from things, typically your skin and your hair. And that's the key here, is your hair. If you're suffering from a rough and just typically irritating beard, chances are it's just dry. And having a dry beard is honestly something every bearded person has experienced at one point, because until you have a dry beard, you can't really determine how valuable beard products are that add some moisture and some softness to that beard. And you probably already know this, but in case you're wondering, I'm talking, of course, about the most popular grooming products out there for beards, and that is beard oil, as well as the less popular but still very useful beard balm. Now what happens is when it gets cold outside, not only does being outside pull away moisture from your hair and your skin, simply because outside has low relative humidity, and so moisture is more easily wicked away, but this is further compounded by indoor heating, which also has low relative humidity, which can also dry out your skin and your beard even further. And then adding on top of that, in the colder months, typically people take warmer showers simply because it's more comfortable to do so. But studies have shown time and time again that taking a shower that is too hot actually strips away the oils that your skin and your hair needs in order to stay moisturized too much, which can further dry out your hair and skin if you don't replenish those oils quickly enough or immediately after your shower. So as we dive further into these winter months, it's almost like the perfect storm of circumstances that are trying to sabotage the health of your beard and the skin underneath it, which is why you need to fight back with beard oil, beard balm, or beard butter. Pretty much any beard product that can help hydrate your beard. Now, beard oil is going to be the easiest way to do so, but it will probably also be the least lasting way, so you're going to have to keep reapplying it. And that is just because beard oil is typically thinner than something like beard balm or beard butter is, so it can more quickly replenish the oils that your beard and your skin needs, but it's not going to stay around as long. Beard butter and beard balm, on the other hand, are very similar. They're both a blend of butters and waxes and oils, but beard butter is typically a thicker kind of beard moisturizing and hydrating product, but beard balm is kind of a mix between a hydrating and a styling product like beard or mustache wax. And that's kind of why beard balm is my favorite product personally, just because I like how it not only softens your beard for a longer amount of time, but it also helps style your beard and kind of helps you control the flyaways or all the hairs that are sticking out everywhere. So if you have a super short beard and you're not too worried about hairs that are flying all over the place or having to upkeep that kind of longer beard lifestyle, I don't even really have a long beard, but I still find it long enough to make beard balm useful, then you're going to want to go for beard oil because you don't have to worry about that kind of thing. But if you're trying to get the best of both worlds, you want like the most utility out of one product you can get, so you only have to apply it once throughout the day, then beard balm is going to be your product. And adding that hydration and that moisture to your beard hair, as well as the skin underneath, don't forget that because that's really important, is going to help soften your beard. It's going to make your beard not feel so stiff or uncomfortable. It's also going to help soften the skin underneath your beard and get rid of redness or irritation, or even help clean away and wipe away those skin flakes that can build up and cause acne or breakouts. And that just ensures that as we get into these winter months, the cold doesn't rob your beard of the comfort, of the hydration, or anything that can cause those issues. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick little Volt video. Hopefully you learned something today. If you're curious about where you can get some really good, natural, all organic, high quality beard balm or beard oil, then Volt definitely has you covered. We've got some awesome stuff, as well as some awesome creators here on the channel. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. We've got a ton more coming out, especially since it's no No Shave November. I'll have links to everything in the description as well as the video I mentioned earlier. I just want to say thank you again for watching. I will see you in the next one.